YouTube! What's going on, man? It's your boy Qua. And today, it's an abnormal day. Uh, Shout out to Quantum, man. Let's put first off, let's give her flowers while she's here. They tried to steal the charger. And you know what's crazy? I feel like I kind of jinxed myself the universe. Because on my YouTube channel, they tried to steal it and I stopped them. Like months ago prior. But, I'm going to just show y'all uh, the aftermath of things of that nature. You know, I gotta cover y'all up now because niggas is watching me, so I can't really you know what I'm saying, give off where I'm at and give off the location. But y'all know what's up. If y'all know what's up. So, uh, I went to see like 3 a.m. today, and this is what happened. So I went to see like 3 a.m. As you can see, little glass chips in the street, but you get the picture. If you know, you know. If you don't, you slow. But you look inside. I don't know if y'all can see it, but the back seat down. But they tried to steal the charger, man. So I figured I just put a camera out, get some footage. Today's like, you know, a good day to record. See if I get a thumbnail for y'all. Oh, sorry, get nothing there. So get a little thumbnail for y'all, but yeah, this shit crazy, bro. So I'm over here trying to make moves, get things done, put things in place. But how do I feel? I feel like I did when I said I had a target on my back. When when I tell Quan I feel like I gotta live like the feds watching me. That's how I feel. But you know, regardless of the situation, things could have got worse. You know, shit, God forbid, I could have been taken to life. God forbid, you know, the car would never been here, or God forbid, you know, things that nature. So, that could have happened. So I'm just thankful that it didn't transpire, but I just know I gotta do better on certain things. Um, this is kind of weird picking up this camera. Last time I picked up this camera was probably like on my birthday. So, and I told y'all how I felt about my birthday and anything like that. But this time picking up is a little bit serious, a little bit more different. So I did a video beforehand. Why I have been on YouTube, things of that nature. But I feel like that video was boring and didn't have a climax to it like this video. So I'm gonna just let y'all know why I haven't been on YouTube, why I haven't been doing things, what's planned, things of that nature. Why I haven't been on YouTube, financial problems, things of that nature. You feel me? Like, I feel like in order to pump out content, you gotta have a life, a real life, and be able to pump out content. And I feel like within your real life, you gotta be able to do things, go places, see things, do things, and things of that nature. And I feel like at the time, I didn't have the funds, I didn't have the money, I didn't have things in place to do so. That was one, and then two, you know, like the charger was down majority of the time, like, and the charger wasn't all the way up running correctly. So that was the one thing, and I feel like when I introduced y'all to my channel, y'all started to get to know me. Y'all really didn't care about who I was. Y'all more so cared about the charger and the content, the POVs, and you know things of that nature. And I get it, but you know I feel like with YouTube, I wanted to do it so y'all can know the real me and things of that nature. So I'm gonna start being more consistent. Today I'm gonna just try to pick up the camera and vlog this little day that I'm got going on. Lord willing, if things go right, I'll finish up my calls and go down, get my mom stuff, and then, you know, get things situated and handle my car. But things I should be expecting. I did start Twitch streaming. I'm extremely tired from that. Last night I was on Twitch streaming. I had people in the viewing me, watch me play Call of Duty. I start Twitch streaming because I felt like, you know, let's do that right now because I can do it every day. I don't gotta go outside. I'm in the crib. Two, I will be making a channel, S and Q channel, Shaquana and Quader. So we're gonna be doing mukbangs, pranks, things of that nature on that channel. When they come out, I'll let y'all know. Yeah, bro, it's just a lot of things that got in motion, but it's just like how I feel today. I'm like blunt. I don't know if that's the word you say, but I'm hurt because in my real life I don't bring my real life to the camera, but sometimes I do pick up the camera and I just start talking, and I'll vent to it because not even cry on camera. Sometimes being transparent because life get hard, and when life get hard, it's like sometimes you be trying to figure this shit out so much that it ain't no outlet figuring it out, and when it gets overwhelming, you cry a little bit, and I cry, I suffer, but it's like, bro, how I feel today, I feel so drained. I feel like the devil is like, ugh, and he's chokeholding me. He's yoking me up, and it's like I feel like I can't breathe because how much he got me by the chokehold, and it's like all I know is the connection with God I got, and I gotta keep my intuition, my faith, and my trust in Him to know that I'm gonna stay strong. This is just a little hurdle on my bump, but it's so sad that niggas try to take my car, bro. Like it's sad because you know I worked hard for that car. Like niggas don't know I was up credit. Like I still prepared my credit. My credit ain't all the way 100%. Like I'm not a guru where it's my credit at a fucking 800 credit store. Like I'm a human. I'm reality. I face reality and adversity every day. So it's like I still work on my credit report, bro. Niggas don't know I had to stay up 3 o'clock in the morning, removing hard inquiries, disputing accounts, reading the credit report to actually understand it and break it down in order to even get myself this car. I had to go out. It's the car. Bust my ass at a job, and then from there report both incomes. Like that shit, it's a lot, bro. It's a lot, and it's so fucked up because like I was talking to Quana, and I was talking to her, and I was like, drastic times call for drastic measures, but I feel like it's time for me to grow up and stop being a boy and be a man is to go get a new car. But Quana said to me like, look at yourself talk. Like that's your dream car. You got your dream car. Like, cause I was thinking, fuck it, give it up and go get a BMW 330i comp and just rock out with that because it's probably not likely to get stolen. People probably don't really care about that car to get stolen. But it's like, man, regardless of the situation, I like nice shit, and I know if I get a BMW 330i comp, people gonna want to sell that shit too. And it's like it's just fucked up, bro. It's an experience that I'm going through. My first time going through it, and honestly, like I thought people always watched me before, but this shit made me more closed off to the world. Like I used to be on Instagram telling my every move and talking about my car and things like that, and showing my car and flashing my car. This shit now has me like, if it ain't on YouTube content, if it ain't on YouTube platform, because YouTube is its own platform, I will not be posting my shit on Instagram no more. I won't be showing my steering wheel no more. I won't be telling niggas my updates no more. It's a lot of shit I gotta do, and nigga, if you know, you know. But more of the story is, bro, I'ma stop yapping. I'm trying to get cars situated. I gotta get out of this house today because I got things to do, and I got money I gotta try to make. So that being said, man, with Quad to be the game, Quad checking out, bro. I'm drained, bro. I'm drained, bro. I don't know. Like it's so much other shit that I want to talk about, but I can't talk about. But certain stuff that I want to be talking about, like I want to talk about now. Also, too, I did say me and Quana gonna make a channel, mukbangs, pranks, things of that nature. But if y'all get the vibe, I get the vibe. But my thing is, quiet back. Yes, my name. Alright, YouTube. So we made it to father and son auto glass repair. We getting the big charger fixed. As y'all can see, man. This shit crazy, bro. Like this shit wild. But a lot of y'all think I'm capping. I'm not at my house, so I can show y'all. Like you see, like the glass. So it's crazy because like I would never think in a million years like somebody would come try to rob me for my stuff. Like it's like trying to steal a car is crazy. So we're here getting the car fixed. Bro, it's just I still don't know how to feel. Shout out to Quana the back that got me here, but like I don't know, bro. Like I really just don't know how to feel. Like it's nerve wracking to know like somebody's watching me. It's nerve wracking to know like at any given time somebody's looking to steal my vehicle, and it's so fucked up because when you work hard for something, you don't expect somebody to just come and fuck your vehicle up. So, uh, huh? What? Oh yeah, no, it's a Sony vlog. Yeah. Uh, they said 200. But he told us it's I don't know, but I'm out here vlogging, so it's kind of like a attention catcher when somebody's holding the camera up talking. But we at Auto Sun, we at Fathers and Auto Glass. So I'm about to get my glass fixed, but I just can't. I just really can't. I just really can't believe it, bro. Like somebody really attempted to steal my charger, bro. Like, so now I gotta like extra security, bro. Extra security, extra. This, it's so crazy, like it's just so sad, bro. Like, just look at it. Like I feel like she feel violated. Like I feel like then they even went to the extent to fuck my airbag up. Like it's crazy, bro. Like I don't get it. I don't get it, bro. I don't get it. So today I got a lot of stuff I gotta do as far as security. I gotta make sure my car is protected because it's sad they try to steal it. That's going. But I'm gonna let y'all know when I'm out of auto repair. Well, the Fathers and Son Auto Glass. Let y'all know how they doing the car. It's not a paid promo or anything, but this is where I went. So I'm gonna let y'all know how it goes. Then from there, I gotta go to Walmart, get a wheel club, lock my car up, etc. Shit is crazy. This shit is it's wild, bro. But she's gonna be fixed up, man. She looks pretty good. But I don't get it, bro. Damn, she look good going inside that garage. But yeah, man, like I just don't get it, bro. Like out of all people, why me, bro? Like why me, bro? Like feel me? I don't beef with nobody. Like y'all got me to the point I'm about to turn the city up, about to paint this shit red. Like it's crazy how people do you, bro. Like, and it be your own people. And the reason why I say that is like people we don't value each other, bro. Like we sit up here and we destroy each other's shit. We rob each other, still kill. And it's like it's crazy because like thinking about that shit, damn, it's like damn, like I'm calling everybody. I called my uncle up. I done called my mom up, and they all saying the same shit. Like son, like nephew, son, like you gotta be thankful that they didn't get it, but at the same time, you gotta charge this shit to the game. And it's like, bro, I can't really process charging this shit to the game. I feel like in the sense of this shit, like me charging to the game, I'm ready to get my get back. And I'm just on type of time like wherever it gotta happen, because like why play with me though? Like why play with me? But that's what happened, man. I'm at the Auto Glass spot today, man. It's a little introduction all back to the channel. We down Poppyland, I guess, man. But it's so much shit I gotta do, bro. It's always something in my life. It's never a dull moment. But hey, man, shit, you live and you learn, bro. As you go through this, like going through the ropes of this shit, like you live and you learn, bro. Like that's just the best advice I say to people. Like when it comes to this SRT shit, you live and you learn. I feel like the reason why it's hit me because it's my first time this shit happened. Like I never had no shit like this happen to me before, so it's like now I just know like yeah, twin, you gotta smarten up, twin. Glove hub, you gotta do everything in your power to prevent this shit from happening. So I gotta tighten up. So that's all it's looking to be, man. But I'm about to put you on the wheel. I'm gonna pick y'all up when I get to my next spot because after I get the charger out, I'm gonna pick y'all up and I probably go to Walmart. I just gotta get some security shit, bro. So it's so much shit, bro. Like it's so much shit I can't even talk about all on this camera, bro. But it's like if you know, you know. Like if you know me, you know me. But it's crazy, bro. Crazy, my friend. Crazy. But I'm gonna pick y'all up when I'm out of here, man. Alright, so we got 16 minutes left on the camera. We'll end this vlog off on a good note. So, good note is, charger is secured. We did get up in the window for it. And we got some security for it, so y'all know I don't play about my car. But yeah, man, this shit stressful, bro. Like, today is real stressful, bro. Like, only thing I can say is I'm gonna go home, I'm gonna talk to God, because if it wasn't for God, this would be going. If it wasn't for God, the 6-4 would be going. You know what I'm saying? If it wasn't for God, this would be going. So I'm just extremely thankful for God. I'm just extremely blessed. Man, forget it. We're gonna do this moment on the camera. Omdu ilahi min sa'alajin bismillah ar-rahim manaka only din. And I can do in that saying here's all the anad alayhim and I do the alayhim alamin. Subhanallah alayhim subhanallah alayhim Allah akbar. I'm not trying to tell you, bro. All praise to the Most High, bro. If it wasn't for God, bro, this wouldn't be here, bro. This is only the beginning. Like I said, this is only the beginning, man. So make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to the channel, man. It's your boy Quad to be the gang. This is a little short vlog, man. I got some more shit in the tuck for y'all boys, but we starting off with this first. But this shit crazy, bro. I would not lie to y'all. Like it's just to me it hurts my heart that someone would do that to me though. You feel what I'm saying? Like now I gotta be on go. I gotta be turned. I gotta you know make shit shake. So it's just a lot of shit that hello. It's just a lot of shit that I gotta feel in my heart behind the situation, but like I said, vlog, threw up. Like I said, I'm glad. I don't regret. I'm just glad that it's all over and done with. But I'm gonna catch y'all, man. Like, comment, subscribe to the channel, man. I'm extremely happy that everything pulled through today. I'm actually about to go in the crib and get ready for the next day. Like, comment, subscribe to the channel if you like this vlog, if you're fucking with the vlogs. It's your boy Quad checking out. Nigga crazy, yo. But it's your boy Quad to be the gang. And checking out.
I like dollar signs, bitch smash, chrome socks, and GY bags, I lost my mind. Asking about the watches at the jeweler, what you got in mind? Sir, anything else is what they ask me when I shop, I buy. Bought the sneaks like 7 times, I could've grabbed 11 times. I'm always down for petty times, I cracked it then I text the line. Don't talk about money that you ain't